Let's talk about unboxing and how you can create your own unboxing video. Your starter kit has just arrived, so it's the perfect opportunity now for you to launch your new business on social media and share that excitement of unveiling your new kit for the very first time. We want to get people excited about Oriflame and the products. Before you get started, there's a few things that you need to remember. Make sure that you've got good lighting in front of you and not behind, because people want to see you and the products clearly. You should have a simple and uncluttered background. You don't want to draw away people's focus and attention from what it is that you're actually doing. Practice what it is that you want to say, because the more comfortable you feel, the more confident you're going to sound. Prepare the box and get familiar with what's inside, and make sure that everything is within easy reach. Set up your camera or phone and make sure that you're really comfortable with them. Then just find something to prop your phone up against and press record. Hi everyone, so as some of you know and some of you don't, I've just started my new business and my starter kit arrived this morning. So I thought I'd jump on and do a quick video and show you what's included. So inside, we've got lots of information about the business itself. So there'll be everything in there that I need to get myself started. What else have we got? So we've got the 5-in-1 Wonder Lash Mascara. Now I've already tried this before and it's absolutely amazing. I love the wand. I love the lush lashes that it gives you. And apparently they sell one of these every 4 seconds, which is amazing. So you need one. What else have we got? Novage Intense Hand Defense Hand Cream with SPF 25. Let's have a little look at this. Smells absolutely amazing. And it absorbs really, really quickly into the skin, as you can see already. Nice. So what else do we have? Giordani Gold Essenza perfume. So I think this is kind of like the perf spray size that you would have in your handbag. Let's have a little smell of this. Oh my God, that smells amazing. I wish you could smell this, seriously. What else have we got? Some samples, Novage for men, so there's something for the guys as well. And we've got some Novage a collagen wrinkle power serum as well. So anybody that's interested, give me a shout and I can start handing some of these out. But I'm really, really excited. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on quickly and share that with you. And I look forward to sharing the rest of my journey with you. Bye. Very straightforward, right? Now let me give you some tips and tricks on how to create a really good unboxing video. Record yourself a few times and see how it looks before you record the real thing. Keep it short. Keep your viewers' attention with a short and engaging video. Show your excitement, and remember that excitement is contagious. Write down the product benefits. Jot down beforehand information about each of the products before you get started. You could even stick post-it notes on the back of each product. Now it's your turn. Follow the instructions in this video and practice creating your own. Record the video with your phone and make sure it's no more than 2 minutes long. Share your video with your sponsor and your upline manager. Post your video on social media. Just have some fun with it, and remember, nobody's perfect the first time round. Practice makes perfect.